Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, I'm Farid Taufik Nugraha, and now I want to tell you for tutorial how to make digital signature. For the first, write your signature on the blank paper. I recommend it for using plain paper without writing line. Then take your signature photos with smartphone and send it to your laptop or PC and place it in specific folder. Now like this. Okay, we place in local dist and English. We place in here. And after that, load your Photoshop. Wait it until it appears. And okay. After this, we go to File, select File and Open. And we search our photos and click. We place it in local dist English. So choose our photos and open. Wait until it appears. Okay. So we going for crop these photos. And we only select signature area. Okay, do like this. So after that, click this mark and go for image adjustment. But we use auto tune. We not use adjustment, but we use the automatic tone and brightness and also contrast. After this, we going for cropping our signature. Select and go coloring. Choose coloring. So we invert this picture until seems like this. Click OK. So now we want select only this signature. Click Mark Tool and right click. So we just layer via cut. Okay. So invisible background layer. Click. And I want to change this signature color with green. Click twice at layer 1 and select not bevel emboss, I forgot it. Oh yeah, select overlay color overlay, and I prefer green. Okay, I'll click OK, and okay, we have digital signature. And now we want to export to PNG file. We save in same folder in local dist English and save. Oh, before it I want to give a name, digital signature. Yeah, then save. Okay. And we try to see in our folder. Okay, finish digital signature. We have digital signature now. Okay, thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.